In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Creative Cloud not opening on Windows 10 and 11. If Creative Cloud won't open or it keeps spinning, we're going to clear any stuck background processes and then make sure it launches with the right permissions. Start by going to your Windows desktop so you can see the taskbar clearly. Now right-click anywhere on the taskbar. On Windows 11, you may need to right-click the Start button and choose Task Manager from the menu. Either way, open Task Manager. If it opens in a compact view, click More Details to expand it. With Task Manager open, look under the Processes tab for anything related to Adobe Creative Cloud. You might see entries like Creative Cloud, Adobe Desktop Service, or similar background items. Click Creative Cloud to highlight it. Then click End Task. Repeat this for all Adobe Creative Cloud entries you see. This force closes anything that might be stuck and blocking the app from launching. Just a heads up, ending tasks can close active Adobe apps, so save your work first if anything else is open. Next, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Start typing Creative Cloud to search for the app. When you see the Creative Cloud app in the results, don't left-click it yet. Instead, right-click the app and choose Open File Location. This opens the folder where the shortcut lives, which makes it easy to adjust how it runs. In the File Location window, right-click the Creative Cloud shortcut and choose Properties. In the Properties dialog, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This tells Windows to always give Creative Cloud the elevated permissions it sometimes needs to start correctly. Click OK to save your changes. The next time you open Creative Cloud, you may see a user account control prompt. That's normal. Choose Yes to allow it. Now try launching Creative Cloud again from the Start menu or by double-clicking the shortcut in that folder. Because we ended all the background processes and set it to run as administrator, the app should start cleanly without hanging. If you prefer not to run it as admin permanently, you can come back to the same compatibility tab later and uncheck that box. For many people, using it just to get past the initial issue is enough. That's it. You force closed the stuck processes, found the app's shortcut, and enabled the compatibility setting to run it as an administrator. This simple sequence fixes most cases where Creative Cloud won't open on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got you back to your projects quickly.